Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well. Me have few things to talk about. But first, I'm going to kick it off like this because, you have people commenting and they are saying that because they are the ones that live in the area and they are saying that Mr. Swaby, the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew, he is doing a wonderful job. And the article them now highlight that. You understand? So this person is saying, somebody please tag Mayor Swaby for me because this man recently took over reins of mayorship at KSAMC, and I must say, in such a short order, he has gotten so much work going. But the citizens aren't being made aware of it. When I hear that, he needs a good PR team to highlight the magnificent work being done. But the thing when I answer to this, the work is highlighting, but the article them, they're not highlight it. For some reason, I do not know why they're not doing that. You understand? So, from me to everybody for just roll out and just highlight the little he is doing because he might do a lot, my wisdom warriors. He might do a lot. Me telling us people reach out to me and tell me say, I first they ever see Kingston so clean since this a man take over. You understand? Take him in. My wisdom warriors, una can see on the screen, una see that is Mr. Swaby, all right? And what he did was he toured several gully traps in Kingston, which were installed through partnership between the Ocean Cleanup Grace Kennedy Foundation and Clean Harbors Jamaica. I don't have videos, me only have pictures. I'm just show you 2 and 3 slides, yeah? But we need more videos of this. This is what we need. We need more videos, not only pictures, but of videos we need. So I'm going to demand that, obviously, because the people, they need to see what is going on. Even though the people, them there, see what is happening. But the people, them that don't live there, they need to see what is going on. Because as I said, the media houses, they now cover it for whatever reason. I do not know. Mr. Swaby, continue doing good and keep up the good work. We like how you start off and keep it up. My viewers and subscribers, so Dayton Campbell run out. And Dayton Campbell stated that, Andrew, is that you? No, sir. Wanna look up this, wanna look up this so good. Can me say so, a Dayton Campbell. So Dayton Campbell say, Andrew, is that you? No, sir. My granny would say he me dry eye. Of course, he dry eye. Dayton Campbell, of course, Andrew Holness is dry eye because he pick up himself, gone over England. Look there, let me read it for you. Prime Minister Holness is to attend meeting of the Privy Council at the start convenient opportunity in order to take the oath or affirm in the presence of Her Majesty the Queen. This was dated July the 8th, 2021. This was dated July 8, 2021 because Dayton Campbell make sure saying repost it, and I show with the things. So this is what Nofa Uno don't bat for focus pan. This uno for focus pan. Me tell you all the time, this is what you guys need to focus on. Andrew Holness left and go take oath. Marky G never take no oath. Marky G born at Jamaica. And to me, uno only be racist. Uno only being a racist. I just deso it there. I just deso it there. Cause me really not understand this. So this stated, Her Majesty the Queen has been graciously pleased to approve that the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, on-PC, MP, Prime Minister of Jamaica, be appointed a member of Her Majesty Most Honourable Privy Council. The accepted form of address of the Prime Minister as of today will be the Most Honourable Andrew Holness, ON, PC, MP, Prime Minister. The appointment became effective on May 26, 2021. And that is when Andrew Holness go and he taking oath and one bag of something. And Unana say, this is the problem. Una talk about somebody that is born in Jamaica and his mother is Jamaican. Una talk about somebody. So when I try to tell me, say, nobody we born in Jamaica, no for whole, no other citizenship, it just don't make no sense to me. It just don't make any sense. So anybody, and then they just spread this thing. Me telling you all the while, say, Andrew Holness want to have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. And that Andrew Holness want. So he want to remove the monarchy but still be a part of the Privy Council. And the only reason why, because he's getting millions. So who is really benefit from the Privy Council? Andrew Holness. So why keeping the Privy Council? It just doesn't make any sense. And this is what Mark Golden has been saying. He said, I want to remove the monarchy. So even some people may say, I run out and I say, Marky G no want Jamaica be republic. You know, stop tell lie. Marky G say, yes, I want Jamaica to be a republic. Move everything. We don't want no ties. We don't know. And that the man I say, you know. And that the man I say, uno rat bat and dunce bat. No for uno. Don't understand what that mean. When Andrew Holness is a Jamaican, him father and mother Jamaican, and Andrew Holness a whole and pan Privy Council. Andrew Holness head on for name off, not Marky G. You understand? This is why I say this is just racism. Right through. And uno for stop it. Uno for stop it. And somehow I run out to chat about slave. The whole of we are slave. So I don't know una go like say, una no slave. Everybody is a slave. Una work for people. Una is a slave. From here figure work 9 to 5 years a slave. So I don't know one. It come like no found una no sense. So una not talk about slave. So everybody is a slave. Everybody is. So nobody come make this thing. I come create this narrative. So because what happened back in the days like una care. Una care about nothing. We don't care about nothing. No for the Jamaican people. When you see white people, when skin catch a fire. So no for a hypocrite too. No for for go away. No for a hypocrite. That's why me have to burn no more time. Me have to, because una hypocrite. Una just don't know una self. Una don't even find una self as yet. This is why una talk like that. Una make a man like Andrew Holness that is going under ongoing investigation. That no sign the code of conduct and claim say he's a man of good governance. Remember say if you're a man of good governance, you know, you have to sign the code of conduct. That Andrew Holness do. Andrew Holness under investigation, ongoing investigation. Some enough of them dancehall artists boy will come out. Uno go talk about that and go Google that. Uno self know say Andrew is under ongoing investigation. Uno think that is okay for a prime minister to be under investigation. Don't sign the code of conduct. Uno think say that is right. Andrew Holness shouldn't be disqualified from a long time. And I do not know why the Governor General cock up and allow Andrew Holness to keep up with him foolishness. You know why? Because the whole of them are same. The whole of them is the same. I told them save the same masters. So, me can't even really say much upon that the part there. But the PSOJ, uno na come out and say nothing. When Andrew Holness do wrong, we not hear uno. When Andrew Holness do wrong, we not hear uno. Andrew Holness is supposed to sign the code of conduct. If you no go over upon the Integrity Commission website, the whole of the PNP them sign the code of conduct. But Andrew Holness not signing. This is why when I see Andrew Holness administration come out and attack people, actually because their master is like that. Andrew is like that. You understand? Because the head of the stream dirty, so the whole of them dirty. None of them no good. They all for themselves. Una hear me? And una see that Jamaican people. Una see that. Una know that. Una know that there's no changes with nothing. They not do nothing to help the Jamaican people. They might be, look, they spend whole heap of their money. Like, what would I say? Like maybe 90% or 99% of the money in private. A pure private then talk about. The whole of them have private business. The whole of them spend Jamaican taxpayer money in private. Yeah, all the time. Taking millions of taxpayer money per empty building. This is what they do. And nobody say anything about it. And true because the Jamaican people, it come like they last. You understand? Nobody not stand up. You come like on last for true, seriously. Because even when you go at the hospital, remember when you go at the hospital, then treat you like shit. Them never have equipment yet. Every time I hear the nurses, them are complain. They not have this, they not have that. We not have this, we not have that. How can you go a place where you are the patient? You know, you feel so lost, you're in pain, you feel stressed. You don't know what is going on with your body. You know, so you only feel sick. And only thing you hear the nurses depend, we not have this, you know, we not have that. That is just caring the patient. They mess up, make the patient them feel get more worried. Look all this person. On the floor, this a person that feel down. On the floor. They not have no bed. They not have no bed. But yet they ain't go buy a machine. They buy 3 machines will cost how much money. Which yes, they need it. Yeah? But want them to the beds them. Want them to beds. Want them to chair. They not have all these things. You understand me? So when I hear the government come out and always saying, you know, them doing this and mega projects and saving money. No save no money. When I save money while people are suffer. Like really and truly, why are you saving money while people is suffering? Remember, so the people them in the hospital. Remember, so the doctor and nurses they need resources, you know. Remember, so they need equipment, you know, to work with. Remember, they need things. You understand? The patient, they need medication. There's not enough medication. So why saving money when they can use the money to get medication, buy equipment, buy resources? Come on. You understand? This is why I say, you don't care about Jamaican people. Because if you don't care, you would not think about the present. But you don't think about the present. You don't think about next 10 years and save money. You understand? You cannot do that when people is suffering. People are dying. It is not good. It is not good. You understand me? It is really not good. This is why people have to come out and burn all the time. Because uno not do nothing to help Jamaican people. Uno only help the Jamaican people down the hill. Uno just drag down the people them. And Andrew Holness, you need to do better, which you can't. You cannot. I don't know what you sign up for. I don't know where you're in. But I don't understand you, brother. I don't understand it. You just scraping. See, they know them are going to sue you because they not stop taking people land here. Oh, man. Them are something here is not right. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. See all on the name I call upon people land. People land. Woman with dead on the name I call upon. Say phone the name the pan land. You see? So what kind of example are you guys setting for the Jamaican people? You know, what kind of example? And we need Andrew Holness need to step down. Andrew Holness need to resign. Andrew Holness should never run for non-general election. Enough you run for non-general election with all these things hanging over his head. Come on, Jamaica, we need to go out and protest against Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness should never be, even right now, he should even remain a prime minister. Then shouldn't disqualify him. Because you have an ongoing case. When you have an ongoing case, you're not supposed to be a prime minister. That's a number 1. Number 2, declaring asset for 3 years. And we still await for integrity commission. Number 4, in place a gag order. Place a gag order panning cabinet them so they not talk about the 6 thief. You can imagine that? My wisdom warrior, seriously. You know what? God. Talk about in TV always say, God. I'm tell us God I go intervene. And he will. But I want to take in Marky G. Hear this.
And comrades, we have to fix Jamaica. Yes. That is our mission. Yes. That is our responsibility. Yes. We have to have a school system that delivers literacy and numeracy to all the children who pass through that school system. We have to fix the early childhood and primary system of education. It is failing too many youths. Too many youths leave primary school, can't read and write, go into secondary school, and they struggle their way through that, and end up with very little or nothing to show for it. And they end up on the corner, and they end up going down the wrong path into all kind of destructive behavior.
A true ya talk, Marky G. Real talk, a real something. Jamaica need fixing, real fixing.
Which have all of us living in fear. Country can't develop like that. The JLP don't have no plan to fix that after 8 years. so they can deliver the job, the work that we expect of them. And we respect police officers, we respect the JDS. But we also need to go into communities and bring restorative justice and mediation and interventions that will help to take the youth them off of the path of destruction to a more constructive liberty and mentality. And the education system from day one to you complete is part of the process of re-socializing the country. We need Marcus to be taught in schools at age-appropriate levels so people believe in themselves and their greatness. So comrades, don't be distracted. I'm on Marky G. I'm here to do our work. I'm on Banya and I'm on Anya. We are going to deliver the victory and take back Jamaica.
Wanna hear what Marky G say? Wanna hear what the next future Prime Minister of Jamaica say? Hey, I man Banya. So hey, wanna fi lift up now, man. Wanna fi come off of the man name, man. Wanna fi go away. And wanna know the next thing, my wisdom warriors. You know, say when I see the article I run with this conference hot last night, you know. When me said the pan fire, you know. Not one media house me say run with it, you know. Me not talking blogger them. Blogger run with it. But the media houses, this is to show, you know. You see, if I did Andrew Holness, me write it as it in not even the conference wasn't even done yet, then start to post Andrew. Yeah, and me go under me go in the comment section and say, no have no content because some of them all a post all bird. If you no go check the article them, some of them are talk about birds. And me have to say, hey, Marky G, mash up conference last night, you know. We don't need one hot content, post Marky G. But me tell us enough of them work, enough of them is working with Andrew Holness. Enough of them, and when Marky G do the work, if people them in Jamaica not seeing. This is why. And also, you have Andrew Holness have him radio station mouthpiece them. That what Jamaican people listen to. They only tell them about Andrew Holness. They not tell them about the good things when Mark Golden or the PNP them a do. They're not delivering it. You understand? So we know have to make sure so we deliver it on all the platforms. So I want to like and share that video, you know. Me want, even if you no want like and share, you can cut out and take out and put it on the page, make everybody see what go on. You get me? You just do the man. Seriously, because guess what? We need Jamaica to be fixed. We need a change. Time has come and Andrew Holness and the administration now do nothing for we Jamaican people. The only thing they're interested in are private sectors and stakeholders. That's all. Private stakeholders. That's all me hear them talk about all the time. But who is really benefiting from this? When you go private, who benefit from it? Is the person that own the private business. Stakeholders who are benefit from it. Stakeholders coming out of the country and stake. Take away everything and bring back a for them place and build up for them place. Want them to us. Want them to fill with Jamaican people. My wisdom warriors, Jamaica people, Jamaicans, be wise. Be wise. Right now, me not think Andrew Holness are going to call no general election. Me not think him going to do that. Because him a wait for Jamaica to turn republic. Because he have sitting up for him sleeve. You hear them talk about secret ballot? You hear them talk about secret ballot? Pure nonsense they come out with. And I go on like they want to come break constitution. Remember, so them a constitution breaker, you know. So people that break our constitution must have no say in amending constitution. That is a no zone. That is a red flag. I mean, I know all the PSOJ, they now come out and say nothing. You understand? Because the whole of them are labor right. And it is just sad how Jamaica people can stand up and say them are people and a rate way. Uno not say Andrew administration a rate way. And uno need to take it to the street. You know what? Uno go wait until it's too late. And when it is too late, you can't go do nothing. That time Andrew Holness going to have his neck down for you. At then time, you go say, no, you go start on the PNP. But me and you over here. You better make sure so you go out and protest and ask. Andrew Holness, not even demand Andrew Holness to resign, to step down. He's not fit. He is not fit because he's under ongoing investigation. declaring asset, in break the constitutional law numerous of times. He is unfit. This is not right. This is not right. He lied to the Jamaican people that talk about crime reduced. We know so that is a big fat lie. Big fat lie. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Even with Marky G, wanna tell me what you think, because you know so Marky G is a wise man. And you can tell he's full of wisdom. And as I said all the time, Marky G is a man with the brains. He's like a professor brains him have. So Andrew Holness, notice when Andrew Holness come out and I do any speech, he always have to read off a paper. Marky G don't do that. But Andrew do that. People have to write him speech game. Andrew no know nothing. You hear me? Andrew no know nothing. Like how Talk Mind TV would I say him still at the same thiefing boy from over Spanish Town. Yo, brap. Talk Mind say him a still the thiefing boy over Spanish Town. Brap. Real talk. We don't want no criminal around if you lead we. Right there, so. We do not. It's just the truth. You know, me say it wrong, people will come out and I say it's not a disrespect. It is there. My wisdom warriors, it is no difference, you know, when you have a speaky spokey people then come out and I nice it up. Me only say it raw. Me have to say it raw. After all, I'm a Jamaican. And that's how we talk every day, don't it? So me now come out here and come speaky spokey. At the same thing. So no for uno too. No for uno labor right don't have any sense. Because when me come out and me talk raw, somehow I say disrespect. It is not a disrespect. Because when the people then come out and sound so nice, them still I say it the same way how me say it. They only a nice it up, but me only drop it like it's hot. Me drop it raw. You understand? And as I said, after all, I'm only Jamaican. So me have to talk patois. What do you want me to do? You understand? What do you want me to do? I see him, we how them a fight Marky G. Lord Jesus, the man born at Jamaica, his mother come from Jamaica and them a fight the man. And then you have a lot of people too. When you know what, when me learn, you have a lot of people. All right, we all born at Jamaica, and when we come out and talk raw, it's like they don't like when you talk raw. But we is a Jamaican, a patois we chat. So we are going to talk raw, especially hot off of the press. Me I go break it down. That's why I notice when me talk, me just break it down. Because a lot of people, they can't bother with the big word, for they not even understand it. They don't understand a big word. No matter when you speak it spoken. When you speak it spoken, it's so nice. It sounds good. But do they understand? You have to break down the things them. Make the people them understand. Go pan for them level and chat raw. That's how we do it over here. So anyway, my wisdom warriors, you just run out for me, like and share, If you lot is a true fan of Hot Off of the Press, would have subscribed to my channel a long time. Would have like up the video a long time and share it out. And I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Also, when I run over to my TikTok and my IG, follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.